In this video, I am going to talk to you about why self-employment income is our favorite type of income when working on a loan modification. Hello, my homeowners. It is Joshua Sternberg from Sternberg Law Group coming at you from sunny Southern California. I hope everybody's doing well. So first thing to understand is that the most important indicator in a loan modification application is income. That's the exact same thing it would be if you were applying for a loan. When you're applying for a loan, the most important indicator is how much money do you make. There are a lot of other very important indicators or aspects or variables in a loan modification packet, but for us, income has always been number one. Just think about it. If you're making $2,000 a month or if you're making $12,000 a month, that's a really big range of what can be approved or denied when we're talking about loan modifications. So why do we love working with self-employed people? We love working with self-employed people because we are in charge of showing the bank how much money you make. Think about it like this. If you weren't self-employed, if you were a W-2 wage earner, a teacher working for the school district, we would have no flexibility on how much money you make. Your income, your wages, your salary is predetermined, and it's gonna be the same every 2 weeks or every month. Those are called W-2 wage earners or W-2 employees. And again, there's no flexibility with their income. If you're self-employed, we can play around with things. If you're trying to bring your income down, you can pay off expenses earlier. You might have a bill that's been sitting on your desk or something that you can prepay for the year, like an insurance or a membership or a software. You might have clients that owe you money and you can increase your income. You call one of your clients and say, look, we've been doing business together for a long time. I need you to pay your bill up right now. And then boom, they send you extra money and you can show that additional amount of income. When you're applying for a loan modification, you don't have to show additional income or less income forever. You just have to be able to show it during the loan modification application process. Okay, so think about that. You don't have to show it forever. You just have to show it for the loan modification application process, which is typically a 3-month process. It can run on longer, but just think that you're only having to worry about messing around with your income for 3 months. Also, please be very clear. We're not telling you to do anything wrong or fraudulent or misrepresent how much money you actually make. What I'm explaining to you is that self-employed people, unlike W-2 wage earners, do have an amount of flexibility in determining what their income is. And when you're working with a lawyer, we can guide you on what the appropriate income numbers are that will give you your best chance of success. There are also a lot of self-employed people who don't even know that they're self-employed. Because when you hear the word self-employed, you sometimes think I'm a business owner, I gotta own a coffee shop or a trucking business or a law firm. But really, if you're doing any outside work on your own, it could be 1099 income. That can be turned into a profit and loss because it's not going to be given to you. It's not going to be paid to you on a pay stub. So just use a profit and loss. Okay. Examples of people who are self-employed who don't even know it: people who drive Uber and Lyft, people who take care of children or elderly people, babysitters, dog walkers, people who make their living online selling on Amazon or eBay, depending if they've incorporated or not. But a lot of people haven't incorporated. They're just doing it through their own social security number. So think about this before submitting a loan modification. Am I self-employed? Can I submit a profit and loss to supplement my current income? So we hope that's helpful. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. We do our best to always get back to you regarding your comments. Please subscribe. My name is Joshua Sternberg from Sternberg Law Group. You can find us online at sternberglawgroup.com. Thank you so much, my homeowners. I hope this was helpful.